Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about everything that has to do with length. My hair has got to the point where it was kind of getting a little length on it, and then it was just, I don't know, we retain length a lot easier with locks. That's what I will say. If somebody's looking for that in a hairstyle, it just allows you to do other things with your time other than your hair. I know there's a lot of different hairstyles that people do with their locks, but it still allows you to have protective styles, but in my experience, to the highest mark of like having protective styles. Yeah, so we're just doing a quick length check. I haven't done this before on my channel. I've seen people do it, so I thought I'd do it because we stuck in the house. So let's see. So I'm currently, it's at my back. Middle of my back. Right here. Like right here. It's getting there. So, yeah. I don't know where all this length came from, but I'm here, you know. As the years go by, it just takes a mind of its own. So some of the tips that I have for retaining length is moisturize. I mean, there's nothing other than that when it comes to locks, because we don't have a lot of different products that we use for our product routine. It's more so just a non-sulfate shampoo, a shampoo that's very more enriching than stripping. And then I also just have my go-to oils. You already know I had my aloe vera oil. If you are new to the channel, you might not know. But if you've been on the channel, you know I've had that aloe vera oil for sale, and it did sell out. Thank you, YouTube. But yeah, my aloe vera oil on my hair, that's my go-to because it has aloe vera oil and coconut oil. That is just the key to stopping breakage and having brittle ends and just all of the things that contribute to hair not growing or retaining length. So that's really it. Other than that, I'd like to say that locks have been the best thing that happened to my hair, to be honest. It's the go-to style that I feel like fits my face and fits my personality. I like to go from like straight looks to curly looks, so it's the versatility of them as well if people are worried about versatility. And that's all I really have to say. This is a length check, but I wanted to throw in a couple of tips there for people who are trying to get longer hair or want to get their locks to this point. Keep going. I'm so in love with my hair. Every time I wake up, like, I just feel like, yes, like, and it's healthy and it's strong, you know, and every woman should have that if that's what you want. If you want short hair, fine, but if you want that, you know, long hair, every woman should be able to obtain it, you know. So definitely in love with my hair. Thank you for stopping by as always. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is full moon, so I will be going in that direction, full moon. And if you have not checked out faucetbymeryl.com, go check it out. And I have a playlist with Faucet by Meryl, fitness, diet, Dr. Sebi's diet plan, and just everything health related in that playlist if you want to check it out. And just stay tuned. I am in my yoga outfit right now, so I am going to start doing my yoga videos. So if you all want to see specific yoga videos, leave a comment below or send me a personal one. That's what you all usually do. So just send me a message and let me know what you would like to see, and stay beautiful. I love you guys. Till next time, deuces.